Waking up to morning light, everything just feels alright. Little moments, small and sweet, like the rhythm of my feet. Birds are singing out my name, every day's a little change. In the quiet I can see, life is more than it used to be. I don't need too much today, just a simple kind of way. Every breath I slowly take feels like something I can make. Little happy things hanging all around me now. In the quiet sunlight, I remember how little happy things make my heart feel new. It's the smallest moments that can carry me through. Coffee cups and open sky, soft reflections in my eyes. Walking slow, no place to be, just this calm surrounding me. Every laugh, every sound feels like something I have found. Not too big, not too far, just